Hope. Who's been racing here today? Excuse me. What? You raced your car? Well, good. I hope you didn't get a ticket. Did you? None of you guys got a ticket either? Anybody win anything? No, nobody wins. Everyone's a loser when you play sports. We learned that this week in Canada, didn't we? Oh, yep. We just all hang our heads in shame. You know what we should do now is just roll over and just never play any sports again. That's what we do. We just quit. That's it. We quit. Sorry, you ruined it for everybody. No, we didn't go, because we're going to keep going until something good happens. And if it doesn't, then we'll just be disappointed. There we go. Let's rock. I've always been a creature of habit. But another when I'm addicted to you, I'm predisposed to have it. Happiness when I don't know what to do. Wanna settle down like my father. Wanna run away like my mother. You come back with the decision. If I make me disagree, then I get my addiction to indecision keeps me. I was born between the tracks. Left home, I turned around and came back. One day you and I will be intertwined. If I could only make up my mind, you put back the decision that might make me disagree. Then I get my addiction to decision keeps me here. New decisions are too late. Nothing comes to those who wait. Come see the view from on top of the fence. We'll watch the world unfold its events. Some days when I am nearly awake, I can almost hear the decisions out. People play for indecision. I make me disobey. Then I get my addiction to indecision. Keep it up. People play for indecision. It might make me disobey. Then I get my addiction to indecision.